Welcome to the world of online property search. reedb, your online international estates portal. In this video, we are going to describe to you why you need to look up real estates for sale or rent. People look for property in foreign countries for different reasons. 1. Many people prefer to research flats for rent in their vacation time to save money. 2. Many people spend winter months in the warm southern climate. They want a long stay, thus they need bigger houses for rent or sale. 3. Many countries offer residency to emigrants who buy property on their territory. So, buying real estate is a great way to move to the country you love. As for landlords and owners, for a fixed monthly fee, you are able to showcase your property on reedb.com to increase your client base and visibility online. Your apartment will find a regular client for rent. Your house will be sold rapidly. If you want to find your property solution, just register on reedb.com.